Hello, everyone, and welcome to week 10, module 10. Last week was our spring break. I hope you all had some time to relax and had some downtime with your family and friends and kind of rejuvenate yourself and refresh yourself to be able to jump in these last few weeks of this semester with me. So in module 10, we are going to cover chapter 9 and chapter 10. So in 9, if you recall, we talked about the rationale for standards, the relationship between standards and standardized testing. We also talked the connection about play and the cognitive development of mathematics, science, engineering, and technology, and how we can create a curriculum that is full of mathematics and technology and engineering. And then also how to assess educational program regarding individuals with exceptionalities. And then as you can see, jumping into chapter 10, we're going to talk a little bit about using the rating scale as an observational method. We're also going to talk about various aspects of literacy within early childhood. We'll be able to examine the process of learning to read and learning to write, and also summarize the assessment of literacy development. So as you can see, to be successful in this module, you want to be able to read chapter 9 and chapter 10. Please look over all the chapter videos and the PowerPoints that I embed for you. Complete chapter 9 quiz and chapter 10 quiz by Friday, April 15th, 11:59. They are 10 points each, so there's 2 of them. Again, they're open now, so you can take them whenever you'd like. Quiz 9 will be housed in Module 9, and Quiz 10 will be housed in Module 10. And then our discussion board this week is screen time. Screen time discussion is located within Module 9, so make sure you go into Module 9 to complete that. The original thread is due on the 13th, and 2 peer posts by the 15th of April. And you want to make sure that your original thread is received by Wednesday, April 13th to receive any portion of points for this discussion. And again, make sure that you are submitting them all on different days. So let's jump into this. I know I spoke about this in Module 9, but screen time, the question for the discussion this week is, what is your opinion about the amount of time young children spend in screen time? And defend your answer with research. Again, you are going to talk about screen time that exists within on their mothers or on your phone, on a tablet, on a computer, and in front of the TV. So make sure you include all of that in there. And then again, defend your answers with research. So state your opinion and then defend it with cited APA formatted research. And then once you're done with that, again, the peer review, I push back that date. It's due Monday 4/11. So make sure to complete the peer review by the 11th. That means it needs to be turned in to me. And we did go over that. Again, look through the video under Module 9. I talked a little bit more about that and gave you an example. And then you're going to continue just to work on observation 2, which is due April 16th. So once you get that peer review back, you go ahead and look it over and make some changes if you need to. Make sure you complete the assignment and then submit it by the 16th. Again, if you have any questions, you need to communicate with me. Please email me. I will get back to you ASAP. If you need to have a Zoom, you have some questions, I will create a Zoom link for us to meet, but you need to reach out and let me know you have questions. So if you have any questions, please do so. If not, have a fabulous week, and I look forward to seeing you all real soon.